A nifty tool that is very useful for holding your connecting rod still, or if you're working on torquing things down and you need this to keep from rotating, because if you try to put any torque on it, this starts rotating and you could damage either the cases here, you could damage the arm itself. So here's what you get. This little tool right here from Pit Posse, also from Outlaw, the same company, out of St. Petersburg, Florida. This is a crank or a connecting rod holder. Slide it on there, and then when you turn the crank, it'll get to a spot and hold right there. It won't go any further down. So then you can start removing things. You can remove your your flywheel nut down here, which I just did a video on how to clean up the threads on that guy, or with the main shaft going through, that nut coming off there. If you have this kind of thing on, notice once it gets to there, it won't go any further thanks to this little holding device. Very useful, very handy, not expensive, will save your life, save a lot of frustration because people try to do all different ways, to hold it in place while they're removing nuts or torquing things down or installing things. It just keeps everything nice and steady so that it's not moving like this, while you're trying to mess with it. Anyway, there you go. Connecting rod holder from Pit Posse. You can find them all over the internet. Pit Posse's got a lot of really useful and inexpensive service tools, as well as other parts and things. But good company I've been dealing with since about 2003. And, they're out of St. Petersburg, Florida, and all over the internet. Anyway, there you go. Quick little ditty. Check out other stuff. We got more going on with this motor and tools and parts and things to try to help you out. See y'all later.